In the rugged world of bulk material handling, steel, especially abrasion-resistant steel, is the undisputed hero. But even heroes use a shield, and that's the magic of an Argonics polyurethane liner. Crafted with two distinct layers of our exclusive Kryptane polyurethane, the thick top layer withstands relentless abrasion from sand, gravel, minerals, or grain. But here's the real beauty. As it endures the wear and tear, it doesn't just last longer than AR steel, it communicates with you over time, eventually revealing the yellow warning layer beneath. It serves you notice that replacement time should be scheduled soon. No cameras to install, no electricity, no sensors. Noise reduction due to urethane versus steel is dramatic. If you're near a residential area, you need this. Step into the future of innovation. Protect smarter, replace easier, operate quieter. Experience the uptick in uptime. Protect your steel with a long-lasting Argonics wear-indicating sheet and see for yourself how it communicates information and reduces downtime. Contact your Argonics representative today to learn more.